Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I am going to tell you about Haier 565 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 565 liters, compressor type, reciprocatory compressor, defrosting type, frost-free. Specifications. Generally, in the box, we get one refrigerator unit, user manual, and warranty card. Type side by side refrigerator type side by side refrigerator. Capacity 565 liters. Number of doors 2. Flow type multi airflow. Power requirement AC 220 to 240 volts. Number of refrigerator shelves 5. Number of refrigerator door bins 3. Freezer compartment features. Number of freezer shelves 5. Number of freezer door bins 4. Number of freezer drawers 2. And coming to the warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor from Haier. Cost price 53,990 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, hit the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dreamview channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.